Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Today's Saturday. We got a little clouds going on, but the rain is supposed to show up this evening and early morning Sunday. But today, we're out here in this garden, and Ben is over there getting my watermelon area covered because I don't want any grass growing under the watermelons and all the melons. So he's putting cardboard down and everything. And I am going to drop some seeds. I'm also going to harvest, I have 3 cabbages. Really, I have 4, but I'm going to harvest 3 of them today. And I'm going to drop a lot of seeds today. Yeah, I hope you all are having a great Saturday. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. And this baby here is taking up the whole box, but that's okay. I ain't mad at it. I'm going to plant out some of my seedlings that I have in cups, but I'm going to do that late this evening. The sun is... It's too strong for me to do it now because they will have so much transplant shock, and I don't want to bring them through that, so we're going to do that this evening. But I'm placing all of the plants where I want them to go. Yeah, but I'm going to drop more seeds, and I'm going to share what seeds I'm going to drop today. Yeah. All right, family. So a friend of mine called, and she said, Linda, I know Super Juice works really well, and I know how you talk about it. I've used it, but I just don't want it to be in my garden, so long. So this is an alternative to Super Juice, okay? Just take you some black cow or compost. You can even put some worm casting in this. This is a paint bag. You can use a paint bag, or you can use a stocking, or you can use tools. Just make it so it can hold your compost, whatever you're putting in there. Black cow, compost, topsoil, whatever you want in there, okay? Take that, put it in a bucket, fill it up with water. Let me put some water in here, right? Now, this does not have to stay in here all day, right? You can make this when you first come out to your garden in a container. And it depends on how big your garden is. How much of this do you need? So I would mix it up in a 17-gallon container for my garden, because I have a pretty big garden. But if you don't have a garden as big as mine, just go on and make you some of this, just like compost tea, right? You're just using your compost from your compost, your black cow, your worm casting. Put it in there, let it stay in there while you go and do other things, and then when you come back, look what you have. You see that? Baby, that is black gold. And just put this on your plants. They will respond in an awesome way. So if you don't want the Super Juice because it smells and you stay in there so long, just use some compost, black cow, and some worm casting. And this is what you get. And feed it to your garden. So I'm going to bring her in. I'm gonna leave her for about another week or two. She could get a little bit more weight on her. Yeah. This one is the one I'm gonna let stay. As you can see, wow. She is in Jada's old truck rim. And there's some leaks in here with her. That is it. Yeah. Y'all, look at that moringa. Look at that. Come on, baby. Yeah, but anyway, that's okay. That was a distraction. But I'm going to let her stay and see what she do. Yeah. These are all the seeds I dropped back here in this old tree trunk. There's some sunflowers, zinnias, 4 o'clocks, and all kinds of goodies. Some cosmos in there. There's some nasturtiums in there, but they all doing good. These are the comeback kids. These are black-eyed Susies. That's what they are. All of this fuzzy black-eyed Susie. That's what that is. And did I say Mint is in here? Yeah, Mint is in here with him too. Yeah. They're loving it. Go on, do your thing. My cucumbers are growing beautifully. Seems like that side over there is getting bigger, but that's okay. They all doing good. Yeah. And this is my salvia. This is salvia. Yeah. They're growing real pretty. Real pretty. Yeah. That's salvia. Yeah. And this is my 2 Jamaican sorrel plants that decided they wanted to show up this season. It's all good though. I'm gonna put them in a box. So this is my Nikki OCD-ish chick bag. So this was a gift from Nikki maybe 2-3 years ago. I'm not sure, but Nikki she sent me this bag, and I have been enjoying it. Lots of food from it. Lots, right? So today I put some bone meal in here, and I'm going to put some super juice and 511 and wet it up. And then I'm going to share with you all what I'm going to drop in this Nikki bag. So here I have some kohlrabi, baby. It's kohlrabi. I'm going to plant at least 4 of these kohlrabis per cell. So I have 4 cells over there. And also in here I have some basil. It's basil. Got some basil growing. Of course I got some parsley. Now these 2, this is moringa. I was going to put it in this box, but I am going to put my moringa in the other half of that box. All right, but anyway, these are my kohlrabis. I'm going to put them in the Nikki bag. So this is a new tomato I'm going to drop. Peach blown Sutton. They say it's fuzzy. It kind of looked like a peach, but it looks like an apple, right? This was sent to me by Martha Henry. Thank you, Martha. I'm going to drop these seeds right now. Right now. So I dropped 4 seeds in here. Yeah, 4 seeds. Let's see what they want to do. Do you want to live? Yeah. There we go. So I have some tomatoes here growing. They're already in the bed. I have some here in the bed, and that one, and that one. These I'm going to plant out today. This one, she kind of look a little sick, but I'm going to give her a chance. Do your thing, mama. And I have carrots growing on the edge of this bed. Yeah, with some green onions all the way down. Jada planted those. Yeah. Of course, that's kohlrabi over there, and something in the soil. Look at that leaf. Been tagging on her. I mean, those two on the end. But I looked for him, but I didn't find him. But that doesn't mean he's not there, because he's there. But I'm going to find him. And when I find him, I'm going to say goodnight to him. So I am over here by my watermelons. Yeah, that's them. They're doing good. Yeah. But I had been to put 3 bricks out here for me. These are my Katrina bricks. I still have a lot of them, y'all. I use them. But anyway, I'm going to drop. This is spaghetti squash. This is the Candy Roaster North Georgia squash. What else I'm dropping over here? I do have some seeds for a butternut, but I didn't bring it out here, but I'm going to get it. So my grandson, he wanted more watermelon. So he brought me this, a petite yellow. And I'm going to drop in more cantaloupes and more honeydew. And I'm going to drop another one. This is for him too. And I'm going to drop more of these seeds that I dropped yesterday. And I'm going to save one of the slots for butternut squash. All right, let me drop them. I'll be back. All right, y'all. Ben is almost finished cutting the grass. He been cutting away, y'all. But anyway, it's my bush beans. It's my bush beans, baby. So these are the jade beans. They're not, at their fullest, but there they are. They're sweet too. Oh yeah. Oh, that was good. May I have another, like the other? That's good. That's good, y'all. So I haven't watered any of the vegetables this morning because I wanted to wait till Ben finish cutting the grass. And he's almost done. And now I'm going to water everything. That's my corn over there, y'all. That's corn over there. She looking good. Yeah, they looking good. But as soon as he finished that, I'm going to give everybody some water because, yeah, they looking like they thirsty. Like that bucket of brassicas. Yeah, she looked like she thirsty. They got their leaves down, so they're thirsty. And this one is covering up the other container. And she is just covering everybody. Yeah. That's her bucket. It's for her, y'all. So it is late in the evening now, and the sun has lost her punch for today. I hope you all been having a good day. But if you are here with me right now at the end of this video, I would like to invite you all to the my live on tomorrow night. Sunday Night Live at 7 Central Time. Yes, 7 Central Time. And tomorrow night, we will be talking about gardening. All right, family. I hope you all have a beautiful evening. Yeah. And matter of fact, I'm going to dinner tonight. Yeah, baby. All right, family. Later, y'all.